Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be showing you guys some amazing deals from March the 19th to March the 25th at Walgreens. If you're new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell. It really does help my channel and it keeps you updated on any deals and savings I'm going to be posting. All right, we do have a lot of deals of the week, but please keep in mind that it has to be done in separate transactions so the registered reward can print. So since they're all deals of the week, they're all considered like the same deal. So you want to make sure you're doing them separately so you can get that register reward. All right, so deal number one of the week is on the Garnier Fructis and the whole ones. They're on promotion, two for $8. And when you buy two, you're going to earn a $4 register reward. And again, you want to do these deals separately. And we also have some digital coupons on our Walgreens account. All right, you want to go ahead and pick up two whole blends or Garnier Fructis, two for $8. You're going to use those $3 off the two digital coupon. You would pay $5 at the register, but you're going to get a $4 register reward, making your final cost just $1 for both or 50 cents each one. The same thing goes for the Fructis deal. We do have a digital coupon on our Walgreens app. And you're also going to get a $4 register order, but please keep in mind that it has to be done in a separate transaction in order for the register reward to be printed out. All right. So our next deal of the week is on the Axe deodorant, body spray, and bath and body care. So you're going to buy two and earn a $4 register reward. So the scenario that I came up with is on the body sprays. They are priced $7.24 for both, each one. You want to go ahead and pick up two for $14.98. You're going to use that $7 digital coupon, paying $7.98. You're going to get back that $4 register reward, and you're also going to submit to Fetch Rewards for $1.75 back for each one, making, $3.50 for both on Fetch Rewards. But your final cost after your rebates, after your rewards, after your coupons is 48 cents for these two items or 24 cents each one. This is such an amazing deal because you're going to grab deodorant for only 24 cents each one. All right, so our next deal, if you enjoyed this video so far, please hit that like and subscribe button. And let's dive into our next deal, which is the Sheer Moisture Hair Care. They're on promotion, buy one and get the other one at 50% off. And when you buy two, you're going to earn a $4 register reward. So the scenario that I came up with, we have a lot of these products priced at $12.99. So you want to go ahead and grab anyone that's priced at $12.99 and that's included with this deal. So I went ahead and I'm going to do the Sheer Moisture Kids because my son has amazing, beautiful curly hair and I want to get these products for him. So they're buy one, get one half off. So you're going to pick up two for a total of $19.48. You're going to use that $6 off digital coupon that's on our Walgreens app. You're going to pay $13.48 at the register, but then you're going to get that $4 register reward, making your final cost a $9 with 48 cents for both or $4.74 each one. And for this deal, you could definitely use Walgreens cash. All right, our next deals. This is a deal where you could earn Walgreens cash. So the Clairol Natural Instincts and Root Touch-Up, you're gonna buy two and you're gonna earn a $4. You're gonna earn $4 in Walgreens cash. So the deal that I came up with is on the Root Touch-Up. They're $6.99 each one, so you want to go ahead and pick up two for a total of $13.98. You're going to use that $5 digital coupon from our Walgreens app. You're going to get $4 in Walgreens cash, making your final cost $4.98 for both, or $2.49 each one. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash for this deal also. All right, our last deal is on the Downy laundry care products. So if you definitely need laundry care products, at least fabric softener, this is a place to go. So they're on promotion, 2 for $7. And when you buy 4, you're going to earn a $5 register reward. So for this deal, it's not a deal of it's not a deal of the week, so it's a completely different deal. You could definitely use Walgreens cash and roll in a register reward from your previous transaction. So you could earn a register reward and you could also lower your out-of-pocket costs. So the scenario that I came up with is you're going to buy 4 Downy products at $14. Um, we do have a printable coupon. That is a typo. It actually has to be from pngwebsite.com. You're going to pay $13, get back a $5 register reward. Your final cost is $8 for 4, or $2 each one. And as I mentioned, you can use Walgreens cash, and you could also roll in a register reward to lower your out-of-pocket cost. And again, that is a typo. The $1 printable coupon is from pngprintablecoupons.com. Sorry about that, guys. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any deals and savings. And again, thank you so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments which deal are you most excited to do. And, let me know if you guys are having an amazing Sunday. I hope you guys have an amazing day and an amazing rest of your week. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.